boss lady crew. Okay, so I brung y'all these end tables. I had found these raggedy ass end tables off the street. And I was like, self, what can I do with these end tables? So myself was like, self, I don't know. I'ma think of something. So I was just looking around, trying to get inspired. I'm like, let me do something. So my father, he helped me sand these tables. So my father was like, Simone, come sand these tables. I'm like, all right, here I come. He like, sand, girl, sand. I'm like, all right, I got this. I got this. This ain't my first rodeo. Pops. Pop, sugar, sugar, pop. So he just standing right there making sure I get it smooth. Sand it. Sandy. So now, after I'm done sanding, I gotta wipe down these raggedy ass tables. I'm just playing, y'all. I gotta wipe down these tables with one of those tack cloths. What is that called? I think they're called tack cloths. You can get them from Dollar Tree, anywhere. Wipe all that sand and debris and dust. That stuff was everywhere. So we want to make sure we wipe them suckers clean, because if you don't, man, that stuff gonna be on your tables and it's gonna be like looking a hot ass mess. Then after I got done wiping them off, I had to get my Eli Keys set and screw them in, because like I said, when I got these raggedy ass tables, they was weak. When no glass inserted, you could tell it was a glass insert. I had to fix them back up and get some wood filler, fill it in a little bit and sand down and smooth. And now I got my Rust-Oleum paint. That's a little small can, because I didn't think I was gonna have enough in that big one. So I had to get that little small one, especially when you got to do 2 coats. Now I got to get the paint roller and the rollers and the paintbrush. The paintbrush is just for like small little areas where the roller can't get. So just paint away. I told y'all I was gonna come through with this DIY, y'all. Y'all ain't think I was coming through with that DIY. I said, let me get these people what they looking for. Because Boss Lady can do anything. Now I'm just wiping down this glass with that alcohol. Like I said from the beginning, the tables had glass insert. But when I got it, it didn't have it. So I had to go to Lowe's and get them the measurements. And once I got the measurements, I brought it home. Now I'm about to do what it do. I'm about to do my thing. I had to go to Walmart, get that Krylon, that mirror effect spray. On top of that, I had to get the 2X Rust-Oleum spray in the matte black. Then right here, that's just the old bottle with an old awesome bottle with 1 part water and 1 part vinegar. And you see me right here just spraying away. After I'm done spraying that little vinegar water, all I do is put the mirror effect on top of that vinegar water stuff. And just spray it in little motions. Zoop, 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 zoop. That's what it's like. And just spraying it in little motions, whatever. That's why you see it. Got that little water. And then when I'm done, I'm going to take that little tissue in the corner and just dab on these haters. Dab on these haters. So after I'm done spraying this mirror effect, I'm going to grab that tissue over there and dab on these haters. Dab on these haters. But you know what, y'all? Don't use tissue. Don't use no damn tissue. I should have used a paper towel. Because when I was dabbing, the tissue was getting, like, fewer pieces were left behind. You know that little Scott commercial? Fewer pieces were left behind. And I had to pick them up. So, but that's all I had at the time. So, I had to make do what it do. So after I'm done dabbing on these haters, I'm going to take my matte black and spray it on the back of that. I just spray it on our back. Spray it on our back. Ooh, look at the crusty elbow. Spray it on our back. Spray it on the back. Look at the crusty elbow. So once I'm done spraying, I just let it dry overnight. Once I let it dry overnight, these tables, y'all. Man, I had to laugh. Them tables, talking about bomb.com. These tables gonna be bomb, y'all. And just let that spray and all that dry overnight, and then put them inside the table. Ooh, wee. Y'all gonna thank me later. So, damn. Look at that. Looky. Isn't she a beauty? Isn't she a beauty?